Here's my new project. Weeds up front. Front strip gardens filled with edible weeds that was dug up from the neighborhood. It didn't cost a single cent. The coolers were given to me by a fishmonger neighbor. I drilled holes on the bottom and threw in some old window screens and coconut fibers from another neighbor. They are lifted off the grass with bricks that I salvaged from an abandoned house. There's a tree trimmer who always dumps wood chips down the street, so I've hauled wood chips to fill up about a half to 2/3 of the cooler, and a farmer neighbor brought some really nice coconut core for the rest of it.